Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Cargocoin. This is a blockchain token that focuses on the shipping industry. Now let me play you an explainer video from them, and that will explain more to you about what Cargocoin is all about. Please watch.
Lots out of 10 are delivered by sea. At the same time, sea freight is still one of the most technologically outdated industries. With this in mind, we created Cargocoin. Cargocoin is an ecosystem for marine cargo shipping based on blockchain and smart contracts. The web-based platform connects ship owners with brokers of cargo or direct cargo shippers. They can connect and match each other in the most profitable and speedy way. Smart utilities replace old-fashioned paper documents, such as bills of lading and letters of credit. All it takes, a simple click to file all the necessary documents. The carrier creates an offer through the application, defines shipping terms and conditions, creates an electronic bill of lading and a letter of credit, pays the cargo insurance, and ships the cargo. The customer accepts the offer, tracks the cargo, pays port services, cargo, and all other supplemental services. Cargocoin facilitates the document flow and makes an instant payment to the carrier while charging a modest commission. Cargocoin, bringing revolution to global trade and transportation.
So you can see what is all about. It says ICO phase 3 end on August 31st, 2018. So still have it here. Now let's check here. 4.4 rating, and the price has ended, and we still have enough time for the ICO. 50 cents for pre-ICO, this is gone, and $1 for it. So the country is UK. The soft cap, the money they hope to raise for the ICO is 5 million, and the hard cap is 55 million. Now let's go back here. Now look at the currency they accept. You can buy it with Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, and 20 other cryptocurrency. So now you can buy with, can you imagine, different amount, different type of cryptocurrency. And you can also buy with PayPal, with Visa, MasterCard, Maestro. With a debit card, you'll be able to buy that. Let's scroll down. I know you can see the problem, the solution they offer: reducing the cost, reduce costs, reduce fraud, minimizing delays that happens, increase trust, secure information, save archiving. And you can imagine that all these informations you need to move your cargo from one place to another, it's going to be on the blockchain. It's going to reduce all this paperwork, and everything is going to be kept there. So it's difficult for you to lose the documentation for what you are sending. Now these are they plan to distribute it: 10% for pre-ICO, 55% for ICO, 15% for the team, 10% for affiliate and bounty, and 10% will be for reserve. This is the roadmap. Just map one after another. Now this is the team. Bogolmi Alexandrov is a lead developer with 20 years experience in financial software development, blockchain developer. So he's has experience in software development and blockchain engineering. So he's a blockchain developer. Yeah, but the year Martin Iliev, 18 years plus experience in logistics, shipping, and international trade. Presently ship owner, BSc Economy and Business Finance at Brunel University, London, and Metropolitan University. Shipping Transportation and Container Specialist. Shipping Transportation, and you can see. So, from a CEO who is a blockchain engineer, you need someone who knows about blockchain to get involved with an ICO. And now, if they are focusing on the shipping industry, They have people who have experience in the shipping industry. So I believe these guys have enough experience to be able to make this work. You can see the advisors they have here. Now, let's see the white paper. And I've checked the white paper, is unique, it's well put together. It's from them. So you can see it one after another. I encourage you to go through the white paper. I encourage you to go through the white paper to see all the information that is presented in it. White paper helps you to understand more about all the things they want to do, what's their plan, everything you need will be found in the white paper. Let's check the social icon. 1,489 who are following them on Twitter. The number is huge in Telegram. 71,056 members on Telegram. So the community is huge. They have a good community. And I mean, one of the things that also impressed me is that the team members, they are experienced in the field of what they want to do. They have experience in the shipping industry. They are blockchain engineer, and I mean, taking the shipping industry, solving problem around it, going into the blockchain will make things really good. More people going to know about blockchain, more people going to get involved in cryptocurrencies, and that is good for all of us. So I think I love this ICO. It's okay for me. I've checked everything, and feel free to get involved with this ICO. Feel free to sign up. I'm going to leave the link down below. Just click on it and sign up for the ICO. But don't forget, I'm not your financial advisor. Do what you want to do. Make your own decision. Do your due diligence. Well, this is how I'm going to end the review. Thank you very much for watching this review. Please don't, before you go, subscribe to my channel and show me some love. Click on the like button, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.